This is Emanuela Belsons with Keller Williams Realty, and I'm sitting on this beautiful rocking chair of this lovely porch at a home 4280 Crest Trail, and I'm anticipating your arrival on an open house Saturday, September 1st from 11 to 2. So we'd love to have you there if you're looking for proximity to the city in a retreat setting, really beautiful cul-de-sac area where you can sit out, sip some tea, and feel like you're coming home to a retreat space. This is the house for you, so you definitely want to come on by. And we also have some wonderful prizes sponsored by Southeast Mortgage, so you gotta come. So come and have some tea with me on Saturday, September 1st, 11 to 2 at 4280 Crest Trail in Powder Springs. See you there.